It's a beautiful time in Victoria. It's March, which means it's autumn, and we can get out in the garden and have a beautiful time. Now's the time to start pruning, planting and working on your garden while the weather's still nice to make the most of this season. Here are a few tips to get you started. There's a lot of warmth still in the soil at the moment, so it's the perfect time to be planting your flower and vegetable seedlings. There's a lot coming in store at the moment, so come in and check out our range. Plant up some pots for the balcony, patio, or some interest in the garden. Have some fun, plant together veggies, herbs, and add some pretty flowers for a splash of colour. Cluster pots of assorted sizes together for an effective look. It's perfect time to get in some edibles right now. Asian greens, lettuce, and onions are good to go, as are broccoli and cauliflower. Spring bulbs like daffodils and hyacinths are available now too. If you need some help choosing or not sure what to put in, come on in store and we'll give you a hand. All our plants, except seedlings, are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, return your plant with the receipt and we'll refund it. After all your hard work in the garden, March will reward you with a bumper harvest. Tomatoes, capsicum, eggplants and lettuce varieties are all ready for the table. Zucchini in their final pick, and you can continue harvesting herbs like mint, basil and parsley, ready for cooking or to go into salads. It's the perfect time to get out into the garden. Here's a few autumn maintenance things that you could consider. There's plenty of pruning to be done. Grab out your pruners, tidy up evergreen shrubs and cut back perennials that have finished flowering. Not only will they look better, but the pruning will promote new growth. Clear away finished veggies in your garden to make room for all of your new autumn plantings. Don't forget to give the soil some love. Add compost and organic manures to enrich the soil and encourage microorganisms. Patch and repair lawn. Give it some fertiliser too. Apply a wetting agent to help autumn rains penetrate the soil after the dry summer. Weed seeds will germinate with autumn rains, so pull them out while they're young. Add mulch like sugarcane and pea straw to help stop the new weeds from growing. Autumn is the best time of the year to be out in the garden. The days are mild and the soil is still warm, so get out there this weekend and enjoy yourself. Remember, if you want some gardening advice, come on into your local Bunnings and have a chat with one of our garden experts. Click here for more gardening advice, or click here to go to the website.